Focus. Come on. Still working it out. There we go. What's going on YouTube? Dan here with the Dan Drives YouTube channel, and as you guys might know, I'm recording on a new camera here. This is my new Canon G7X Mark II, and today we're going to do a little test video with it. We got a meet that one of our buddies is hosting, and we're basically going to take the camera out there. There should be over 100 cars at this place. We're going to pull up in both Ticket the Mustang and Rexy, my WRX. So I'm going to film the little cruise up there. We're going to meet up with some guys, cruise to this big meet, get some cool cinematics. Should be a cool video for you guys. Maybe get some pullouts of everybody leaving the group. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe guys. Let me know what you guys think of this new camera. And yeah, let's get right into it.
And baby, everyone feels fake. Somewhere I lost a piece of me, smoking cigarettes on balconies. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone and you're on the other side, so when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming, the fake only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. I got your promise, let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me.
My grandfather's mother.
Around the world and back again. I hope you're waiting at the end. But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone, on the other side, so when your tears right there,
Hey, you can't show up and look like that and not drive an American muscle. I have one. Okay. What's up? No, I'm just hearing.
Got your promise, let me be honest. Love is a road that goes both ways. When your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. But you gotta be there for me too.
What's up, Beamer boy? Huh? About to go to a meet? What are you doing? Yep.
Just keep my hands on you. But you gotta be there for me too.
Oh, there's a C4 Corvette there.
about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name.